Hello, welcome to Daily Life Tips. In this video we will talk about the 5 incredible benefits of onion for our hairs. But before starting the video, smash the like button and please subscribe to our channel to never miss out any of our video. So, you've tried everything in the book to stop hair fall and increase growth, but nothing seems to be working. Sounds relatable? Well, here's some news. You don't always have to use a lot of products to fix your hair problems. You can sometimes rely on a single ingredient like onion juice to get the desired results. It's true, when you have hair problems, onion is a highly potent ingredient, whether it's a home remedy or a product. While you may not like the scent of onions, eating and applying onions topically can have great benefits. Over the years, onion juice has been known to be very useful for treating hair loss, as well as other hair-related problems. 1. Prevents hair loss. Due to its high sulfur content, onion juice is effective in preventing hair loss. It plays an important role in strengthening your hair. Sulfur aids the production of collagen that supports the growth of new hair follicles. An onion juice massage also boosts blood circulation of the scalp, which promotes hair growth. 2. Prevents premature hair graying. Catalase is an antioxidant found in onion juice that's known to be a natural remedy for the prevention of graying hair. 3. Moisturizes and nourishes dry hair. Onion juice contains different micronutrients that nourish brittle and dry hair. It has antioxidants, flavonoids and anti-inflammatory properties which contribute to boosting the blood supply to the hair roots. 4. Controls dandruff. It can be rather hard to get rid of, as common as dandruff is. A fungal infection can also cause dandruff, making your scalp itchy and dry. Since it has antimicrobial and antifungal properties, onion juice can inhibit the growth of fungi and bacteria that cause dandruff. 5. Cures an itchy and dry scalp. Onion juice can soothe itchy and dry scalps due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Furthermore, it helps moisturize the scalp by increasing the blood supply to the scalp. That's all for today. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get updated. We will be right back with the new video.